Okay, this video is for people who are wondering about how I am powering the tractor shop. So we got power strip right there, we got molecular charger right there. Got extension cord right there, that runs over the grinder right there. Got cord goes there. That is powering the light right there. And that goes up, and that's the power source. Goes through there. Comes down through there, all the way through here. Along there, there's the air line next to it. Through there. Along there. Through there. Above that. Down through there. To right there. It's a milking parlor. Oh. That's milk house. And show you the airline when I'm over here. Airline goes there. Along there. Along there. Along there. That's blown up one. To this green one right there. Plumbed in right there. And it's leaking oil, but that's it. There, there, along there, through there, along there, and that's tractor shop. Basically, the ATV shop pretty much the same. It's probably my biggest issue why my welders and plasma cutters don't work worth crap is that. But it's the airline, and we're back. So. Thought I'd make you guys this video for those that have been wondering, because people are like, hey, why isn't you should have enough power. Well, I don't think I do because of that. So alright, catch you on the next one. Thanks for stopping by. We'll have a new video coming out on the engine block. I believe these actually don't have sleeves or inserts, so or liners, I mean, not inserts. So, alright, catch you on the next one.